TV3 and drama. Okay, so the impact is it built from there. So those who miss episode sebelumnya di YouTube TV3 and also drama sangat. So thank you to TV3. Thank you very much to TV3, to Zil Production, Tuan Haji, all my beloved cast semua, adik-adik cast semua, to Farah, Wani, all the makeup artists, props, Cha, all the crews semua. I really had a good time, and thank you very much to Jamie and the whole team. Thank you for your guide and all. So semua alhamdulillah. So alhamdulillah, syukur pada Allah, syukur. So we'll catch up soon. Thank you so much. I really appreciate yang kaji post, you all put like and all the kind, nice, beautiful comment from you guys. Really, terima kasih. Terima kasih banyak-banyak from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. So you guys stay safe too. Jangan jerit-jerit sangat. Qaseh dia nak balik, dia dah insap.